Before you reach for that spoonful of baking soda, listen up. This common kitchen powder might be your cheapest health tool or a hidden hazard. Baking soda, or sodium bicarbonate, isn't just for baking. Your body produces it, especially the pancreas, to neutralize stomach acid. If it doesn't make enough, digestion suffers. Bloating, constipation, or diarrhea can follow. Here's where baking soda helps. Acid reflux or heartburn. A small amount can ease symptoms temporarily, but if it's low stomach acid, baking soda makes it worse. Try apple cider vinegar or betaine hydrochloride instead. Gastritis? Combine with zinc carnosine to support healing. Kidney issues? Baking soda may reduce acid-related itching and can help delay dialysis. Workout boost? It buffers lactic acid during high-intensity exercise. Take 2 grams per kilogram of body weight gradually to avoid nausea. Gout or kidney stones? It helps dissolve uric acid. UTIs? Adjusts urine pH, making it harder for bacteria to thrive. Oral health? Neutralizes mouth acid, fights plaque, best when sugar's out of the picture. What to avoid? Long-term use lowers stomach acid, blocks protein digestion, B12, and mineral absorption. Never mix with vinegar or lemon. It creates gas and painful bloating. If you find this helpful, like and subscribe for more content.